Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are taking care of your elders. So, students, today we are going to learn how we can arrange small and sure blend words in ascending order and in descending order. So, we will do this with the help of an activity. So, let's see how we can arrange small and sure blend words in ascending and descending order. So, let's start. You can see I have three shirts. Okay, so which blend is this? Shirt is sure blend because spelling of shirt is starting with sh. So shirt is sure blend. Okay, so I have these shirts and I am going to arrange these shirts in ascending order first. Okay, so as you all know, what we do in ascending order, we arrange numbers or things small to big. Okay, so first I'll have to see which is smallest shirt. Okay, so I'll have to see which is the small shirt among these shirts. So which is smallest shirt? This. So I'll keep this shirt here. Okay, now we will see which is small shirt between these shirts. Which is small? This one. So I'll keep this shirt here. Okay, then then this shirt is left, so I'll put it here. So you can see smallest shirt, then little big shirt, then biggest shirt. So we are going small to big. So students, we are going small to big. So we have arranged these shirts small to big. So this is ascending order. Okay, this is ascending order. Now what will we do? Now we will arrange these shirts big to small. Then that will be descending order. Okay, so what we will have to do? We will have to see which is big shirt. So this is big shirt. Okay, so I'll keep it here. Okay, now we will see which is big between these shirts. So which is big? This one. So I will keep it here. Then this is left. So I'll keep it here. So we are going big to small. Okay, so big to small is descending order. We have arranged these shirts big to small. So this is descending order. Okay, so students, now you can see I have some smoothies. So smoothies, spelling of smoothies is starting with SM. Okay, it's starting with SM. So smoothies is SM blend word. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to arrange these smoothies in ascending order first. So first we will see which is small smoothie. So which is small? This one. Okay, so I'll keep it here. Now I'll have to check which is small between these smoothies. So this is small. So I'll keep it here. Now this is left, so I'll keep it here. Okay, so you can see small, little big, then biggest. So we are going small to big. That means it's ascending order. Okay, so it's ascending order. Okay, so now we are going to arrange these in descending order. So in descending order we will have to see which is biggest. So this is big, then I'll see which is small, which is big between these, this, so I'll keep it here. Okay, then this is left, so I'll keep it here. So it's descending order because we are going big to small. इसमें डिक्रीज हो रहा है, ऑर्डर जो है वो डिक्रीज हो रहा है, सो दैट्स वाई इट्स डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, now students, I have some shampoo bottles. Okay, can you tell me which blend is this? This is SH blend because it's starting with SH, so it's SH blend word. Okay, now we are going to arrange these bottles in ascending order. So first we will have to see which is small bottle. So this is small bottle, so we will keep it here. Then we will see which is small between these bottles. So this is small, so I'll keep it here. Then this is left, so I'll keep it here. Okay, now you can see we are going small to big, so it's ascending order. ठीक है, because it's increasing order, so it's ascending order. Okay, now we will arrange these bottles in descending order. So we will have to see which is big bottle among these bottles. So this is big bottle, so I'll keep it here. Then which is big among these? This, so I'll keep this here. Now it's left, so I'll keep it here. Now you can see we are going big to small. That means it's decreasing order. Decreasing order means descending order. Okay, so we have arranged these bottles in descending order. Okay students, now students, I have some faces. So can you tell me which face is this? It's smiley face. It's smile. So word smile is starting with SM, so it's SM blend word. Okay, now we are going to arrange these smiley faces in ascending order. So I'll keep small face, then now I'll see which is small face between these faces. So this is small, so I'll keep after it. Okay, now this is left, so I'll keep it here. So students, now it's ascending order because we are going small to big. Okay, so it's ascending order. Now we will arrange these faces in descending order. So first I'll see which is big among these faces. So this is big, so I'll keep it here. Now I'll see which is big. This is big, so I'll keep after this face this smile. Now I'll keep this last one. So we are going big to small. That means it's decreasing order. It's descending order. Okay, got it? Now students, I have these shamrocks. Shamrocks is SH blend word because it's starting with SH. इसकी स्पेलिंग जो है वो SH से स्टार्ट होती है, सो ये SH blend word हुआ. ओके, सो अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू अरेंज दीज shamrocks. सो अब तो आपको पता चल गया ना. सो फर्स्ट वी विल कीप स्मॉल, then smaller one between these shamrocks. So I'll keep it here. Now I'll keep big one. Okay, so shamrocks are in ascending order because we are going small to big. Okay, now we will arrange these shamrocks in descending order. So what we will have to do? Big one, then we will have to find which is big one. This is, so I'll keep it here, then I'll keep last one in the last. So we are going big to small. That means it's descending order. Okay, it's descending order. Now students, I have some shells. Do you know what are the shells? As I have already told you, shells are, what do we call shells in Hindi? We call it शंख. शेल को हिंदी में शंख कहते हैं. You can see shells in your temple. Okay, so we are going to arrange these shells in ascending order. So I'll keep this small one here, then इससे थोड़ा बड़ा, then last में big one. Okay, so we have arranged these shells in ascending order. Okay, now we are going to arrange these shells in descending order. Okay, so first we will keep big one, then इससे छोटा, and last में small one. Okay, so now we have arranged these shells in descending order. Okay, so students, you can also try this at your home. You can draw some pictures and you can arrange those pictures, that means cutouts, in ascending and descending order. Okay, students, you all have enjoyed this activity and you all have learned something new. So students, you can also draw some pictures and then you can arrange those pictures in ascending order than in descending order. Okay, so it will be interesting, it will be fun, and you will learn something new. Okay, so now do it, and now it's time to say bye bye.